Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make journal voucher entries in Tally Prime. We'll cover everything from understanding what a journal voucher is to the step-by-step process of creating one. Journal vouchers are super important for keeping your financial records accurate, especially for transactions that don't involve immediate cash or bank movements. Let's dive in and make your accounting tasks much simpler. So what exactly is a journal voucher? Simply put, it's a document in Tally Prime used for transactions that don't involve cash or bank accounts directly. Think of things like recording depreciation on assets, making provisions for expenses, or adjusting entries between different accounts. If a transaction doesn't fit into a payment, receipt, sales, or purchase voucher, it likely belongs in a journal voucher. It's a versatile tool for maintaining your books. Now let's get to the practical steps of creating a journal entry. First, from the gateway of Tally, go to Vouchers and then press function key 7 for Journal. Next, you'll enter the date of your transaction. Then, select the account to be debited and its amount, followed by the account to be credited and its amount. Remember, debits must always equal credits. Finally, add a brief narration explaining the transaction and press Ctrl+A to save your voucher. To ensure your journal entries are always spot on, here are some key tips. Always verify that your debit and credit amounts are equal. This is fundamental to accounting. Make sure to write a clear and concise narration for each entry, as this helps immensely with future reference and audits. Regularly reviewing your entries can catch any errors early. Also, keeping your ledgers well maintained ensures a seamless accounting experience. These practices will significantly improve your financial record keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.